What's up, guys? Belko Builds here, back to you with another video. And of course, this is the video that everyone has been waiting for. I am back with more Mustang upgrades. Sorry for the wait, guys, but you know, life's been happening and I've been working a lot. So here it is. Today we are installing BBK headers as well as finishing my pretty much H-pipe back exhaust to dumps right at the axle. So here we go, guys. Hope you enjoy, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe after you watch this video. And here we go.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, well, yeah, the... You're stupid.
So here we go, guys. We started by unplugging the plug wires. There's a little shot of that here. Then we move on down, unbolt the H-pipe as well as the mid-pipe, that pretty much where the mufflers would weld to, and got that all disconnected. And here's a little shot of the old POS Ford racing headers I had to smash to work. And you know, they're terrible 1/8-inch flanges, just a big old nightmare. But here's a shot of the new BBK shorties, 50 state legal, and this is them bolted on. Super 180 from one other one went right on. And there's only one problem with the H-pipe. The flanges are a little bit bigger, so I had to oblong the holes out about a 1/16 of an inch on each hole. Oh, and then a big old jump here. Cool. Tacking up my mufflers. I got them all tacked up there. And then another shot of the other side, making sure they're level, measuring the dumps. And there's a shot of the dumps going down there by the axle. A welding shot here, just of how I had them all laid out before I welded them up. Then a finished product here. Still had to paint these after I was done, but that's all I have for today, guys. I will post another video of, you know, like a rev or how they sound, a little bit better of a shot in the daylight so you guys get a better idea of how it was done. But thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one, guys.